Okay, so in today's video, we're going to be having a look at how to sync a new Redilight handset to your Redilight remote control driver and light. So the first thing you'll notice is it says RC at the end. That's important because it means it's a remote enabled driver, which is what you'll need to sync a new handset to. As you can see here, this is a new one. It does not talk to this one at all. It doesn't turn on off and does not adjust the brightness up or down. Now it's a really straightforward process. All you need to do is turn it over, locate the 4 Phillips head screws here, and you just undo them with a Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, so with all those 4 screws undone, you can turn it back over and just pop the cover off. Now you'll see here on this little circuit board that's standing up, there's a little light. It might be a different color, but it's usually blue. And next to that, there's a little white, I'm just trying to focus here, a little button right here. So all you need to do is push that button and then push any button on the remote you want to sync it to. A quick little flash like that, and just like that, it's all synced up. Nice and easy. So all you need to do from there is reverse the process essentially. The cover back on, flip it back over, and screw in the 4 Phillips head screws that you just undone. And that is literally it. Nice and easy. You're all set to go. You can turn it on and off and adjust the brightness up and down however you please. And also on our website, I can put a link in the description for it. We also have a instruction booklet here on how to do those steps I just showed you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.